Ozempic has become the weight loss drug of choice for people in suburbia and celebrities, I might say. What are the risks, or do we really not know yet?
Yes, so this is part of the problem. We actually really don't know what the long-term risks are, and it is a tool amongst many that can be used for weight loss. But the problem has been that we've had replicas that have been developed outside our normal framework. So we have rules around medication, and that's to keep people safe, and the way things are manufactured, how they're delivered, how they're used. And we're now in the situation where the government said that as of October, we're going to be banning the compounding of Ozempic. Now, compounding is really important. It is something that's really valued by doctors and pharmacists, but it's for small-scale individual drugs and specifically for individual patient needs.
Well, so what is the problem with those chemists mixing their own drugs essentially to mimic Ozempic? Aren't they all the same ingredients?
Well, the thing is, they're not, and there's no regulation of it. And may have seen today that there are some labs. They look more like backyard kitchens that have been making large-scale medications that are injected by people, and there's been no safety or quality assurance through that, and they're exploiting the loopholes, and it's been big business exploiting loopholes and putting profits over patients.
So why not regulate it? Because there is a shortage of it. Wouldn't it be better to regulate it so there could be more of this type of drug available?
Yeah, so with the regulation, the problem is there's a significant shortage of the drug in the first place, and we need to make sure it's getting to where we need it the most, which is our people with diabetes. And the challenge has been that it's not just the generic ingredient, which is semaglutide, but it's what it's been mixed with. It's been about how what conditions it's turning up in people's houses, etc. And to produce it at large scale does require significant oversight, and until that's we need to tidy up the backyard first.
Yeah, okay, fair enough. So do you have any idea, because there is such a shortage in Australia and worldwide really, because it has become a weight loss drug rather than just treating people with diabetes. Do you have an idea what the breakup is, how many people are using Ozempic just for weight loss and how many are actually diabetic?
Yeah, so we actually really don't know. That's the other bit, because this sits outside regulation. We don't know how much is being used. Is it 20 or 40,000? There's different figures. But because it's unregulated, we don't know around around side effects, adverse outcomes, the things that would usually happen with a registered medication.
Okay. Well, it's good to talk to you today because this is a drug it seems that everyone is talking about. Appreciate your time.
Thank you very much, Nicole.